Welcome to TechTurntable everyone. With the recent rise of ChatGPT and other AI tools, internet and online spaces are changing rapidly. And the way that people interact with these AI tools is through their browsers. And so AI-themed browser extensions can play an important role in boosting your productivity and making your overall workflow even faster. The problem is that there are hundreds of browser extensions out there, and so it becomes really difficult to distinguish the good ones from the bad ones. Now, I have been experimenting with a bunch of these browser extensions, and in this video I will be discussing with you 3 AI themes browser extensions that can boost your productivity. By the way, all of these browser extensions are absolutely free to use. Now let's get into the video. The first browser extension that we are going to talk about is called ChatGPT Summary for Chrome. Now this extension is one of the best productivity extensions I have ever come across. It is designed to do just one task, and that is saving your time. What is interesting about this extension is that it can summarize web articles and blog posts for you with just a single click, so you don't have to read the whole article. But don't get me wrong here, I like reading stuff and reading is generally pleasurable, but I find that sometimes when my attention is wandering or I am in a hurry, I just use this extension and it makes it a lot easier for me to get the gist of the whole article right next to the article, which is kind of fun and interesting. It connects with your ChatGPT account and you can save a prompt that this extension will use to generate summaries for you through ChatGPT. You can change the prompt if you want, but I am quite happy with the default one, so I am not going to change it. If you are interested in checking out ChatGPT Summary for Chrome, there is a link down below in the description, so you can check that out if you want to see if you like it. Now let's move on to extension number 2, and extension number 2 is my personal favorite, and it is called Max AI. Now some of you guys probably know about Merlin. It's a Chrome extension that works as your internet co-pilot. So essentially within the browser you can just hit Ctrl M and now you can access the AI features of Merlin that is powered by ChatGPT. It's like having ChatGPT alongside you all the time. But Merlin is now a paid extension with free variant having a lot of limitations. So alternatively, I switched over to Max AI, and now I can harness the power of AI anywhere within my browser. Now Max AI also has a paid version, but the free version is all I need, and in my opinion it is much better than what is being offered by Merlin. Another similar Chrome extension is Cider, which you can also check out. Link is in the description. So now let me give you a demonstration of what Max AI can do. So I have opened a blank document on Google Docs and I want to write a script on time management tips. Let's see what the AI offers us in this scenario. By pressing the shortcut key Alt-J, I can bring up the Max AI sidebar, and now I can access ChatGPT or Google Bard or Bing AI, and so I can just give it a prompt. Alright, let's see what it does. See, it's not that bad. We got an intro, a bunch of subpoints, and a conclusion. It is all really good. Remember, this is just a basic demonstration and it can do much more than this. It can summarize, explain or translate or even reply to specific text that you want it to reply. There are a whole lot of options here that you can play with. Of course, AI has its limitation, but I would say that it gives you a starting point and you can then go to the internet and do more research and expand on the topic that you are covering. If this Max AI tool sounds cool and you want to check it out, then do please click the link in the description, because if you click the link, then Max AI will know that you have installed the extension through my link, which would be very nice. Alright, now we come to the extension number 3, and that is called AIPRM for ChatGPT. AIPRM puts ChatGPT on steroids. I have recently started using it, and one of the reasons I enjoy using this extension is that it provides you with a huge library of prompts that you can use for different purposes. It is basically just ChatGPT with tons of prompts to supercharge ChatGPT. So for example, I can open up ChatGPT and you can see there is a list of curated prompts that can be used for different purposes. So I'm going to use this Midjourney prompt generator to generate a prompt which can then be used in the Midjourney to generate a high quality image. So here we go. I'm going to select this prompt generator and I'm going to type some keywords related to the image I ultimately want to get. Let's see what it comes up with. As you can see, it has generated a bunch of prompts for me that are highly detailed, and I am sure if I use these prompts in Midjourney, I will get a really awesome image. Similarly, I can use YouTube script creator prompt to get a detailed script for any video that I want. Let's try that. Here we go. How to manage time, stay disciplined, and get things done. And boom, your script is ready. Now this might not be that good, but as I said earlier, AI gives you a starting point and you can add your own creativity to that. So now that you have stayed this far, I would like to discuss with you another really cool extension. It is not an AI themed extension, but it is a really useful productivity extension, and it is called Extensity. Extensity allows you to disable or enable any extensions very easily. This will allow you to easily disable any extension that you are not using for the time being, keeping your browser clean, fast, and clutter-free. Alright, that was a bit of a walkthrough of some of the AI themed extensions that I am personally using these days to boost my productivity. Hopefully you got something out of it that was actually useful and helpful. If you are interested in finding out some of the more cool extensions that I use on a daily basis, you can check out a video that is linked over here. You can check that out if you want to. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you in the next video.